students, welcome back to the online learning of mathematics. In previous video, we have seen practice set 11.1. Now, let us see how to draw a subdivided bar graph. A subdivided bar graph are used for comparison of the given data. In subdivided bar graph, two or more constituents are shown by parts of a single bar. Now, let us see the example from the practice set 11.2 of our textbook. The number of boys and girls in standard 5 to standard 8 in a ZP school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Scale. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. A table is given to us in which first row is representing standard, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Second row represents number of boys in 5th standard, number of boys in 6th standard, number of boys in 7th standard, number of boys in 8th standard. And third row represents number of girls in 5th standard, number of girls in 6th standard, number of girls in 7th standard, and number of girls in 8th standard. To draw the subdivided bar graph, first we will include one more row in this table, that is total. What we will do first, we will total the number of students. That is, we will find the total number of students in 5th standard, total number of students in 6th standard, total number of students in 7th standard, and total number of students in 8th standard. Now, on the graph page, first we will draw x-axis and y-axis. The meeting point of x-axis and y-axis is the origin. Then we will plot the points on the y-axis as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We will write down the scale on the right hand corner of the graph page. The scale is given in the question, so we will use that scale. So scale is equal to, on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. Then shaded part of the bar represents number of boys and unshaded part represents number of girls. Now let us start drawing the bars on the x-axis. In standard 5th, the total number of students are 50. So, we will draw a bar till the marking of 50. Then, we will see the number of boys in standard 5th, as the number of boys in standard 5th are 34. So, we will draw a marking till 34, and that much part we will shade with the pencil. Then we will see the total number of students in standard 6th. So the total number of students in standard 6th are 40. So we'll draw a bar up to the marking of 40, and then we will check the number of boys in standard 6th. So the number of boys in standard 6th are 26. So in the same bar, we will make the marking till 26, and we will shade that much part. So that represents number of boys, and the unshaded part of the bar is representing number of girls. Now we will see the total number of students in standard 7th. So the total number of students in standard 7 are 35. So we will draw a bar up to the marking 35. As the number of boys in standard 7 is 21. So we will mark up to 21 and we will shade that much part. Then the total number of students in standard 8 is 45. So we will draw a bar up to the marking of 45 and then we will mark till 25 marking of the same bar and we will shade that as that is the number of boys in standard 8 and the unshaded part is representing the number of girls in standard 8. As x-axis is representing standard, so we will write down standard here. As y-axis is representing number of students in particular standard, so we will write down students on the y-axis.
In next online lecture, we will learn percentage bar graph.